Have you ever tried scrapbooking your interests or journaling your life? Or do you have a corkboard on your wall that just looks amazing? Don't you love decorating it? Or have you ever tried making a vision board for your goals and, motivation? Well, I have, and I still do on a regular basis, kinda. I write stuff, I scrapbook my interests, and I also journal sometimes. But as someone with a type C personality, I low-key struggle with perfectionism and like OCD and just, people-pleasing stuff. So I was scrapbooking as usual. I was scrapbooking Kaoru and Ray, by the way. But like when I was done making the scrapbooks spread, it was such a mess. The hands, gluey, the cutouts, everywhere. In short, it was a mess. And I know good things have their own consequences too, and I do like cleaning up, but like, it's such, you get it. So then after some time, definitely after cleaning everything up, I was scrolling on Pinterest and saw some real good collage people have made, and that made me think it would be nice to have a digital scrapbook, man. Oh, and yeah, you're right. It's time to make this idea come true for real.
For real?
When I tell you, the structure and like the design was just made very free-handedly. Like all I could think was just a Microsoft Paint's toolbar on the top. So I was definitely going for that kind of UI. And the pop-ups for just the basic stuff. If you have watched me making stuff before, you must have noticed I love including pop-ups in basically everything. And I love when someone asks me about something twice just in case I change my mind. So yeah, we do need those double confirmation pop-ups. I did all the designing on Figma. The main issue was how I'm going to make the functionality for, the functions for the interactable items. Like, for example, zooming in, rotation, duplicating, importing, and stuff like that. But what do we have AI for? Stealing people's art? Just kidding, I do not rely on AI at all. In fact, the intelligence I believe in is the actual intelligence that we humans have in ourselves. Though we all lack in some fields, for example, me making logic, so that's where I need to use that slop to help me out with it. After that slop explained what I needed to do in trying it myself, I just need to know what that slop did, and then I just know the gist of it. Anyways, surprisingly, I ended up making a lot of components than I thought I would, but it's cool. I look like a genius if someone looks at it. I bet they would go like, yo, that's crazy work. Another tricky thing was saving your work. I did not know what to do in this case. Like, what to do? Like, do I need to implement a screenshot feature now that screenshots the content? Yeah. After crying over it for a week and researching like crazy, I found the savior. And it does exactly what we need. And is that it? Yeah, totally. Oh wait, no. I have friends that try my apps and they're like, hey, make them compatible for smartphones, aka make them responsive too. So, made them responsive. A hamburger menu? That is not a hamburger menu but an emoji, but it does a thing. And we are done. Yeah, I love this project. I make lots of brain rot stuff on it. You know what? Let's all make a spread and just memes and just spam each other. I swear it's super fun, and please send me all your works. And yeah, please send everything that you made on this scrapbook and corkboard app. It's super fun. I'll bet you'll love it. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.